Stuck with an old email on Wise and can't receive verification codes? Here's exactly how to change it in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the 5 simple steps. Click your profile, go to Personal Details, find your email, enter the new one, and confirm. Let's get into it. Start by logging into your Wise account on their website. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. It's usually a circle with your initials or a little silhouette. Go ahead and click on that. This is where your account menu lives, and it's the gateway to all your personal settings. I've helped a lot of people get tripped up right here because they look for settings in the main navigation bar instead. So remember, that profile icon is your friend. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Personal Details. This is the section that holds all your core account info: your name, your address, and yes, your email. Now, I'm going to walk you through the actual Wise interface here, and this is exactly where you need to be. If you click on something like Notifications by accident, just go back to that drop-down and try again. No harm done. In the Personal Details section, locate the email address field. It should be clearly labeled, and your current email will be displayed right there. You'll also see a small pencil icon or an edit button next to it. Click on that. This is where we make the change. Wise makes this part pretty straightforward, but the next step is where you need to focus. Now, type your new email carefully. I really mean it. Double check this. One wrong character and you won't get the verification code. So take your time. Type it out and then type it a second time in the confirmation box that appears. This is a common pitfall I see all the time. People rush, miss a letter, and then wonder why nothing works. So slow and steady here. After entering the email, click Continue. This will trigger a security check, so don't be surprised if the screen takes a moment to process. It's doing its job. While you're waiting, go ahead and open up your email inbox in a new tab or on your phone. Wise will send a verification code to the new email address you just entered. This is the really important part. Make sure you check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it right away. I've seen it end up there a lot. Copy the code from your email and paste it into the verification field on the Wise page. If you prefer to type it manually, that works too. Just be careful with zeros and the letter O, because they can look really similar in some fonts. Once the code is entered, the system will confirm it matches. Now, click the final confirmation button to save. This is the last click, and once you do, your new email is officially linked to your Wise account. You should see a success message on screen, and you'll likely get a notification email sent to your old address as well, just as a heads up. And that's it. From being stuck with an outdated or inaccessible email, you have successfully updated it in under 2 minutes. Now you can log in, receive verification codes, and manage your account without any hassle. Thanks for following along.